Welcome to Tech's Review. Today we will unlock a secret of creating unlimited AI video stories for a faceless YouTube channel with a single AI. Includes AI story generation, AI image generation, AI voiceover, background music, and final output. I will show you complete step-by-step procedure. I will show you everything you will need to start your brand new YouTube channel with today's strategy. With today's strategy you can choose any niche you want. You will able to make children's story-based or even action-based story like this one. Any historical story based like this one or any history-based story you want. I will show you the way. Not even historical, but also real-life-based stories can be generated with today's strategy. Stay connected and watch till the end to start your own YouTube channel by today. You will able to make also romance-based stories or even love stories. Children's stories or kids' stories also can be generated, and here, look the generation by AI, high definition and extraordinary output. Or you can create science fiction-based stories like this one. All the images you are watching here is generated with single AI, so stay connected to find the strategy. You can make a superhero-based story or even mysterious story, drama or comedy or even horror stories. All the stories you are watching here generated with single AI. The stories and all images are generated with AI. In YouTube you will find channels like this one named Alpha Life have 62k plus subscribers from only 25 videos. And all the videos are story-based. See, the best view is 2 million plus. Let's have a look of their best video.
Once upon a time in a small village there lived a boy named Rohan. Rohan was known
This
for
is a
his
3 minutes
laziness and
video,
lack of ambition.
have only story and
He had a
images,
habit of wasting
voiceover
time
and
procrastinating
subtitles.
on important tasks.
Simple.
Despite
But according to Social Blade, this YouTube earns minimum $26 to $423 in every month. And $5,000 in a year and $10 on average in a single day, and it consistently growing. And our strategy is more simpler than this channel. Going back to our AI website, you already saw few different types of stories that was horizontal, 16:9 ratio. Now I am showing you example of vertical size, 9:16 ratio, what is perfect for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. You will able to make almost every kind of stories you want to make with this single AI without much effort. Storytelling is a powerful tool that can captivate, inspire, and influence audiences across the globe. With the rise of AI technology, storytellers now have access to a wealth of resources that can amplify their creative visions like never before. Our mission today is to explore a strategy that harnesses the power of AI to craft unlimited video stories for YouTube. Whether you watch this full video, you will able to start your brand new story-based YouTube channel. And all the sample I am showing to understand you clearly that the scope of this AI. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of boundless creativity and storytelling prowess, join me as we dive deep into the world of unlimited AI video storytelling for YouTube. You will find all the necessary links in description. Visit through our link and sign up to this site by clicking Sign In with Google button. Click Accept Terms will redirect you to dashboard. You will find a pop-up will show you all the recent updated features such as double shots, character builders, director mode and few other recent news, etc. This AI supports 80 languages. With this AI, you will able to create consistent characters, create scenes, places, and also animate your characters. You will get 150 credits when registering with our links, which you will find in description. Credits will be used for generating contents. Remember, this AI is not 100% free. You will find main features, character builder for character generation, image studio for image generation, video studio for video generation, and Story Studio for story generation. Here we clicked Story Studio from left menu. Here is few sample stories by default from this AI. We will click to New Story button from right top side for start our first generation. If we want AI to generate story for us, then we will click on Help me get a story. Now AI asked, who is your story for? We answered any. Second question AI asked, what's your goal by creating this story? We answered any. Third important question AI asked, what genre the story should be? We are selecting children's story, you can select whatever you want. Last question AI asked, any quick ideas what this story is about? This is most important part, your story depends on this input. Now we are going to Google to find an anime movie name to create an anime story. Here we find Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba to the Hashira training and pasted this story outline box and clicked on Generate Outline button. It will take Generate a story by AI based on our prompt. Here is story characters and story outline. The story images, voiceover, subtitles, and full video will be depends on this story outline. Now clicked on Create the Story button. Select story format you want. We are selecting horizontal as we want the video for YouTube. Now another important part, select visual style of your story. The style you will select will be the pattern of your generated story images. Here we are selecting 3D anime and click to continue to Character Builder button. It took almost 5 minutes to generate this 2 characters according our story. And you can always change the appearance if you not satisfied. I am satisfied, so I continuing. Clicking Continue to Storyboard button. This process will take 5 to 7 minutes to generate all images by AI according to our story. I am fast forwarding the process. Here all image generation has been completed. Let's see the results. All the generated images are really awesome and the plot scenes are really extraordinary. Actually, this is our timeline. Our final video will play in this timeline. You can change and generate new images if you don't like any of them. When you will satisfy, you can export the video from this export button at right top side. This will take 5 to 10 minutes depend on your internet speed. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And stay connected. When video export complete, you can download the video from download button and let's see the final output.
In a village not far from here, a hidden treasure waits to be found. Sakura stumbles upon a secret long forgotten, tucked away in the depths of the attic. With trembling hands, she unrolls the ancient scroll, unknowingly unlocking a portal to a realm beyond her wildest dreams. The animals, guardians of this magical land, regard the intruder with wary eyes, their tails twitching in unease. A misstep, an apology unheeded. A rift blooms between them, challenging her presence in this enchanted world. Words of remorse fall upon deaf ears as doubt lingers in the air like a heavy fog. Trials of courage and kindness await, testing her spirit in the face of doubt and adversity. Through hardships faced and challenges conquered, a hero emerges, earning respect and admiration from those who once doubted her. A promise made, a bond forged, amidst farewells and fond memories, Sakura's next adventure beckons on the horizon.
Now we will create another story video. Clicking on New Story button. And again following the previous steps. In this story generation box, we are inputting Super Mario as the idea of our next video story. And here the characters of our story and the full storyboard is ready. Here in visual style, we will select 3D cartoon style. And in 3 to 5 minutes our characters of story will ready again. Here is our story images are start generating. I am showing you this process again to make you clear that our strategy will help you to make unlimited stories without much effort. Let's export this story. Please make sure you are registered with our links, which you will find in description box, to get 150 credits initially, and you will need to upgrade the plan to create unlimited stories as well as to remove watermark from the video. Now, let's see again what is generated by AI this time. And if you found our video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Mysterious possibilities, eager to explore. A tiny figure faces a colossal challenge, his courage tested by an unexpected transformation. Surrounded by buzzing fury, a miniature hero presses on, undeterred by the threats looming around him. A loyal companion springs into action, diverting danger to shield a friend on a perilous quest for a cure. Triumphantly clutching a remedy, a diminutive figure's hope is reignited as a solution to his plight finally materializes. A villain's grin widens as treachery unfolds, a pivotal moment stolen from the grasp of the unsuspecting hero. A once formidable foe shrinks in stature, his arrogance melting away as a twist of fate alters the course of the unfolding drama. Side by side, two stalwart allies craft a clever trap, their bond solidified through ingenuity and shared purpose. Two brothers, wiser from trials endured, stand united in a realm of wonder, their hearts
I hope you
enriched by
like
the
the
lessons
stories.
of teamwork and resilience.
Now we will find a name for our YouTube channel. Visiting to vidIQ to start finding best keywords for our channel, you will find this link on description as well. We have an aim to make bedtime kids story type YouTube channel. In vidIQ, we found the bedtime stories keyword have 503,300 search volume monthly, so we are taking bedtime stories for kids as our channel name after our in-depth research. Now visiting to youtube.com to create our brand new YouTube channel. Click on Create a New Channel and type Bedtime Stories for Kids as our channel name. Here, I am trying to take a better URL of our channel. If you have any confusion, you can ask us to comment section, we will obviously answer your questions. Now our channel is ready to upload our first video. Other setting, customization and optimization I will do later. Always keep focus on title of your video, keywords, and thumbnail as well as content of your video is most important parts. Be consistent and focus will help you to grow, and we will able to start earning money very soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us.